Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name's Mike, and today, my order from Gemini Collectibles arrived. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, could you like and subscribe because we're gonna do the draw for the Gamer Bart and Jeffrey giveaway. So I wrote down all the names, and first one out wins. Alright, so that looks mixed up pretty well. Let's see who's the winner. It's a random pick here. Lil Kozu. Did I read that right? Yeah, Little Kozu. Little Kozu, I will be messaging you and you are the winner. I don't know what you won yet, but we'll figure it out. So now let's get back to the regular unboxing. Alright, YouTube. So here's the box from Gemini Collectibles. They supply official Comic-Con Funko Pops. So when you order from them, you know that it is never gonna be a sticker swap. So let's see what I got in this box. Alright, so I have all 6 pops right here. Now let's start with the first pop. Beachhead number 13. We saw this pop 2 weeks ago, but I have a G.I. Joe collection, so I had to get this pop. Beachhead likes to be the first out of the helicopter because he knows he can provide the best covering and suppressive fire to allow his teammates to deploy safely. This makes him a G.I. Joe. And now here's Beachhead out of the box. And since we reviewed Beachhead last week, I'll let you enjoy the pop out of the box. Now here's the second pop. King Hiss, number 1038. Now King Hiss, his appearance is human, but he can shed off his skin, revealing a mass amount of serpents. He possesses magical powers, as ancient that of the elders. And since we reviewed his king 2 weeks ago, I'll let you enjoy him out of the box. And since I got his king, you know I had to get Ninjor number 1036. Because I got his king, I had to get Ninjor. Ninjor's special ability is stealth and silence. He can hide in the shadows and attack his enemies. But his weakness is super senses. And here is Ninjor out of the box. The insignia on his chest is a sword that has a dragon wrapped around it. And we also reviewed Ninjor 2 weeks ago, so I'll let you enjoy Ninjor out of the box. when I saw this pop, you know I had to get it. Growlithe number 597. So we saw Growlithe in my Pokemon special, but this one's flocked. And some of Growlithe's special abilities are Intimidation, Flash Fire, and a hidden ability, Justified. So here's Growlithe out of the box. I personally think this Growlithe is dope flocked, and I'm gonna keep this one out of the box. One of the pops I want to see Funko make in the future is a flocked Arcanine. So I'll let you enjoy Growlithe out of the box. Now here's one of my favorite sidekicks turned superheroes. Nightwing number 364. He is a pop heroes, and if you don't know who Nightwing is, he is Batman's first sidekick. And his real name is Dick Grayson. So the reason why he became Nightwing was because he thought Batman was dead. So here's Nightwing out of the box. And you can see his Nightwing suit is black with a blue accent. He has the eagle on his chest representing his wings, and he's holding a Eskrima sticks. If you didn't know the origins of the Eskrima stick, it is a combative weapon from the Philippines. So I'll let you enjoy Nightwing out of the box. And here's the last Funko Pop from Gemini Collectibles. Beetlejuice number 1010. He is a pop movies from the movie Beetlejuice, and he is the antagonist of his own live-action movie. Beetlejuice is very rude, crude, and a perverted ghost. He can possess people's bodies and can be invasive to people's personal space. Now to call Beetlejuice out, all you have to do is say his name 3 times. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Alright, you two? What do you think about all those NYCC pops? If you thought it was dope, could you hit the like button? And if you haven't subscribed yet, could you subscribe? Make sure you turn on that notification button so you can get notified when I do another giveaway. And if you didn't think these pops were dope yet, I hope you think this pop's dope. Venomized Magneto number 683. Now you know I had to get the official sticker for Venomized Magneto because I tried to collect all the Venomized pops. Now if you didn't know who Magneto is, he is the master of magnetism, and his real name is Max Eisenhart. He is a Omega level 4 mutant, and he is the leader of the Brotherhood. And since we reviewed him 2 weeks ago, I'll let you enjoy him out of the box. Alright YouTube, well that's all the pops I have for you today. Before I go, I would like to congratulate Lil Kozu. I will message you very soon And thank you for watching. Stay safe. And see you next Thursday. But hold up, have you seen last week's episode? Will you check out my Mandalorian collection? Because last week was the season 2 premiere of The Mandalorian. And this next video is recommended for you from YouTube. Peace.